Good evening. Welcome to .programming.com. This is my blog. Today I'm talking about the structure of a C program, uh, in which we have various concepts about the structure of a C program. First of all, we would like to discuss about the preprocessor. So write into your notebook structure of a C program. Structure. So first of all, write preprocessor directive. Sorry. And the second one is global declaration. I have two declaration, that is the local declaration and the global declaration. So later on we will discuss about the global declaration and the local declaration. So now the next point is entry point, that is the main method. In the main method we have the returning type, that is the void, that is the null returning type. Okay. Main method is the entry point, that is the starting point of a compiler. A compiler compile the program by the main method. In the main method definitions, a declaration section, it means we have to declare all variables after the main method, just after the main method. And the next is executable statements. So what is the executable statements? Through which we can get the result or calculate some expressions, that is known as executable statements, and that is the body of the functions. Now later on we will discuss about the body of the function, declaration of the function, section of the function. That is the structure of the C program. So first of all I would like to discuss about the preprocessor directive. So that is the body of the function is the main. So now close it. After we can use user defined functions. Here's the main method is closed, but here we can define body of the other functions, or you can say user defined functions. User defined function. Okay. This is the structure of the C program. Okay, now first of all I would like to discuss about the preprocessor directive. So what is the preprocessor directive in the C program, or you can say C language? A preprocessor directive is a symbol is hash. Hash is the preprocessor directive. What do you mean by the hash? It's a preprocessor directive. Call the compiler to add the files add necessary or required files like the conio.h and the stdio.h. Conio, it means the console input output, and the stdio.h, it means the standard input output.h. The second file is conio.h, console input output.h. Actually, preprocessor directive hash it sends what is the need to the program, or you can say in the program. That is the preprocessor directive. So before writing the program, must add this file with the help of preprocessor ops. The conio is a console input output, and that is the standard input output. That these are both are the header files. Sorry, header files, and the hash is the preprocessor directive. Again I am tell you to you that is a preprocessor directive means sends before compiling the program, or you can say add some required files in the program with the help of preprocessor directive, that is hash. Okay, now tell me more about hash. Actually, hash call the compiler to add the necessary or required files, or give the order to the computer to compile the program sequentially, or you can say top down approach. So I am writing here something about the hash. Instruct the compiler, instruct the compiler to include the specified files. Okay, in the beginning of the program. Okay, that is clear. Sorry, that is the definition of the hash symbol, or you can say preprocessor directive. Instruct the compiler to include the specified file in the beginning of the program. Okay, or you can say required file add in the program before writing the main method. Okay, so it's never terminated by semicolon. Remember again, it's not terminated by semicolon. That is this. Actually, semicolon terminate the statements, executable statements, or the variables. That is clear. Preprocessor directive. Now take the second page for writing something about global declaration or the local declaration. The second topic is global declaration. That is previously considered preprocessor directives or header files. Now the global declaration is hash define size 100, hash define n50. That is the global variable. A global variable defined before the main method. Okay. That is the main method. Before main method we can declare a global variable. A global variable can access inside the program, inside the main method or outside the main method. We can access the global variable inside the main method or outside the main method if needed. Okay. Global variable is very useful, through which we can handle complex programs. What is the meaning of global declaration is before all the the variable are declared before all the functions. Okay, before a variable are declared before all the functions called a global variable. Okay, that is the global variable has defined size 100. We do not use the semicolon here for terminating the statements. Okay, and not use the equal sign to assign the value in the variable. Later on I will discuss about the assignment operator and how to declare a variable and how to initialize a variable. Remember again, a global variable defined before all the functions and the local variable defined inside the main method. So thank you very much about for watching my first video tutorial about in the C language. Keep watching and keep continuing to watch the program or videos. So thank you very much.